Hello guys, let me show you how to make this home gathering idea or party decorations idea. It's up to you how you guys want to use it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just one of this little glass ball, and I'm going to use a solar light from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and take it and put some hot glue around it and attach it inside like that. Then go ahead and take your spray paint and spray paint it in gold. Then I'm going to put a few flowers inside all the way around it like that. And then go ahead and take like a little glass, put some hot glue in on the top and attach it together, and then put a candle in the middle. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out, and it's so simple to do, and you only have to spend $3 on this DIY to make it super cute. So this is how it looks in the light. Then I wanted to show you how it look in the dark, which it come out super pretty. You can use this in a wedding, on a birthday party decorations, even in a home decor. It's up to you however you want to use it. I'm just giving you a different idea that you guys can use with these solar lights so you guys can see it. So now I'm going to show you the next DIY, which is pretty simple to do. Just go ahead and do the same thing that you did at the beginning. Then just take a white plate or whatever color plate you're doing for your decor. Put some hot glue and attach it to the top like that. And for here, I didn't have cupcake or nothing in the house, so I just put a little muffin that I have. I'm going to put this little flower just to make it cute so I could show you the idea how it would look with cupcake on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, super easy, and the best thing is super inexpensive. And I know that's what you guys like. This one can also be done for a wedding and or a birthday party, and even for your home. If you have visitors and you want to place it on your table to put some snack in it, you could also do it as well. Now let me show you for the next DIY. I'm going to go ahead and take the same glass, but I'm going to put it upside down. I'm going to take the solar lights. I'm going to place it on top, but before I do that, I'm going to take it apart because I'm not going to spray paint everything. So I'm going to take that clear part out, and I'm not going to spray paint that one, so I'm going to take it out. I'm going to leave the rest. And then I took this clear bowl as well. So this whole thing, I'm going to spray paint it in silver, whatever color I'm doing. And then this is how it turns out. Then I'm going to take some floral foam, attach two pieces together. I'm going to take another one, put more hot glue to attach it in the inside of the bowl like that. So just place it inside, and then you're going to place your flower around it like I'm doing right here. Make sure to put it all the way inside so it won't show, so it will cover like at the beginning of the ball like that, so it won't show. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It's so simple to do. At the same time, it looks so elegant. This one I think it can be used for birthday party decorations. It could also be for a wedding, or it could also be for a 16th, 15th birthday. You could just put a sign like 15, 16 on the top of wherever you're doing. And this is how everything turns out, guys. So I gave you 3 ideas using the solar lights. Like, you can only spend $3 on these days to make it. This video, we're gonna take one of this plate that comes in clear, but I spray painted in blacks. Then they also have these mirrors, those round mirror. I'm just gonna take the mirror out and place it right on top of the plate like that. Then after you attach the plate, I'm going to use these solar lights that they have in Dollar Tree. I just spray painted in gold. I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot glue around it like that. And then here you could just leave it outside if you want them to light up before the party decorations or the home decor that you're doing. Then go ahead and place it on top. I'm gonna take one of this little plate, but before I'm gonna place some hot glue on top, and then I'm gonna place the little plate right on top to attach it into place. Then after you attach the plate on top, then go ahead and put more hot glue on top like that. Just go ahead on the plate all the way around, and place another plate and attach it in there. Then grab another mirror and then do the same thing and attach it. Then I'm gonna take this part of the solar lights and I'm going to attach it right in the middle like that. Then after that, I'm going to take my hot glue, place it all the way around it as well. And then I'm going to place this little cat. You could place anything, flower or unicorn, whatever you guys are doing. Then I'm going to go ahead and place my cupcake on top like this one. I'm going to take this confetti just to make it that extra cute look, and then just place it around the plate like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Simple, easy, that you could just display it in your home when you have visitor or for your party decoration. It's up to you how you guys want to use it. Now for the next idea, I'm just going to leave it as like this, and then I'm going to place flower like that. You can place any color that you guys are doing. I'm just going to go ahead and use this red flowers, and I'm going to place it all the way way around it. Then I'm gonna take this garland and I'm gonna just measure there to see how long I want it, just like that. And then after I know the sun, they come apart really easily. Just take it apart, and then you're gonna take your hot glue, put a little bit in there, and then just attach it in there until you attach a few of them all the way around. Then you can also do it without the flower, just place Cupcake around it as well. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out with a flower. Super cute, super easy that you guys can do at home for any party decorations or home decor that you guys want to do. I think this will look great on any table setting that you guys are doing. And this is with the flowers, and this one is without the flower that you can place your cupcake like this. You could place any fruit, cookies, or snack, or whatever you guys are doing. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab this mirror that comes like this. I'm gonna spray paint it in gold, and then I'm just going to attach the mirror to the top, and then I'm gonna do the same thing that we have done before. Just place it like that around it until you do a tower of three like that. Then go ahead and place your cupcake, and this is how cute, you guys. It turns out so simple, so easy that you guys can do for any party decoration. This is like more for like a kids party decorations idea, and it could be for any theme. You could also add up little figures around that. You can add little cupcake toppers, up to you. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take this little wood that I found. I'm just gonna take this string apart. I'm gonna take my solar light and I'm going to spray paint, and then I'm gonna take this little plate, put a little bit of this bowl on the cover, the little hole, and then I'm gonna place the solar light like that and attach the plate on top as well. Then place cookie, snack, chocolate, whatever you guys are doing, just place it. This is to display on your table as well. Container, I just spray painted in white. And then after that, I'm gonna use two of these solar lights from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take the bottom part out of this one, and from the other one, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the sticker out. It comes out pretty simple, and then I'm going to attach the other part inside, just like that. After that, you're gonna take your hot glue and put enough hot glue. Make sure to put enough, because this one you need to attach it very good, because this is what's gonna hold it everything together. So after you attach it like that, make sure to put more hot glue all the way around it to attach it in place. Then I took this clear plate. I'm not gonna do the front, but I'm going to spray paint the back of the plate, just like that. And then I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna put food. We don't want in the spray paint. It's not food. We don't know if it's food safe. So then I took one of these floral foam, and I'm going to use these pieces. So I'm gonna put some hot glue and attach it to the ball like that. So I'm going to continue putting floral foam all the way around the containers. Then as you can see, the other one didn't fit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it into a smaller piece so it could fit in the other side. But it wasn't tall enough, so I'm gonna take another piece and place it on top so it could be level up. Then I took this little branches. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna take the top part out, and I'm going to place a flower inside like that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and bend it a little bit, just make it short, whatever height you would like it to be, and then just place it inside just like that. And then after that, I'm going to continue placing different flowers all the way around it. I'm going to do the branches as well, and then just fill it up until you are done doing the whole thing like that. Then after that, take your plate that you spray painted in the back, and you're going to put some hot glue. Like I said, make sure to use a stronger glue, not just hot glue, so it can attach perfectly. Then go ahead and put your plate on top just like that. Then after that, you're going to grab a few of these little pink roses, place it in there, grab your cupcake, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think it would also look great if you have some cupcake wrapper instead of just placing it like that, and you could do different colors of the flowers. I think it would look amazing. I'm just giving you this idea. You work it out however you want it to look. For the next day, I'm going to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to take the same containers, and you see the other lights in there. So I'm going to take this floral foam. I'm going to put some hot glue in that light in there. Just go ahead and place it all around, and then I'm gonna place some hot glue in the floral foam in the middle. I made a hole, and then I'm gonna place it like that, and then put it inside, and then just attach it into place. Then I'm gonna take the other plate, put some hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it in the inside. Just go ahead and press it down. And I did it with different colors, and then I put the cupcake on top, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple and cute that you guys can do at home. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, this one or the other one. Or I also came up with a different one, because you guys know me, I cannot just leave it as that. So you can also just use it and just put some cheese in there and some chips, and just put some food. You can also put cookies. There's so many things that you can do with this DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like it.